Today I am going to be doing a process video of my day 8. Now this hexagon pullout is from the December daily product play 3 class, I think it was. So you can go ahead and go there for this download. And I'll have a link down below. So for day number 8, I'm writing about my nursing girlfriends. We've been doing this tradition of meeting at Mission Inn up in Riverside for a holiday brunch. And this year we did a favorite things party because I liked my other girlfriend's favorite things party so much instead of an ornament exchange. So I have so many ornaments from these girls over the years, and I thought that would be a good idea. Here's some pictures of some of the favorite things that came out of that. Love that. Our table settings. And my girlfriend Tammy was able to get us a private event. I don't actually know if this was for us, but we had a patio set over to the side by ourselves, and it was just perfect for us. So what I'm gonna do is, this is where my day 8 is gonna go. I think I'm just gonna put this buffalo plaid right here to cover that part. I need to put a tag here on that side. So I think I'm just going to do this Christmas tree, and I'll go ahead and adhere that down. And then I want to use some ribbon. Let's see, there's green, maybe gold. No, I think I'm just going to use some of this black. This is black velvet ribbon, came in the kit. And I think what I'm going to do is just go like this and staple it. So I want a little bit showing on the top. And then I'm going to take my tiny attacher and just staple it like that. So that's number 7. That's number 8. Let's see. Do we want to put anything else on here? I think I do. I forgot about these sequins. These are some of the things that came with the I'll probably have to use my Tombow Mono Multi. This is for different kinds of materials. So that's what it's going to look like. I'm going to go ahead and let that dry. Here's a picture of my girlfriends and I. I'm going to go ahead and put that in here. And the day 8, I think I'm just going to redline adhere it here. And I may put other embellishments there, but for right now, I just want to be able to pull this out. So it's got 1, 2, 3, 4. And then do I want to put something over there? So I have 1, 2, 3. I have one more picture of my girlfriend. So what I think I'm going to do is I'm going to start drawing hexagons all around all of these and start cutting them out. Okay, I'm going to start adhering these down. This I'm going to leave blank because that's what I'm going to attach to the page protector. I want to do some journaling, but I might add a little bit of something there. And then for these 4 pages, okay, so let's see if this is gonna fold. So I want it to go, it's gonna fold like this, like this. Okay, so what I need to do is I want to do some journaling here. So I need to decide if I'm gonna put here, I need to decide if how I'm gonna journal, if I'm gonna embellish this, or, because I do want to write a little bit something there. And then I just want to write a little something here. And then on this one, I want to write about my girlfriend Edie lives the closest to the Mission Inn, and she was the last one there, and we were waiting for her to start eating, and she walked into the patio area where we were, or in our private area, carrying a plate of food. We were laughing so hard. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take red line tape and tape this down. And then I'm just wondering if I should put a little tabby here. Let's see. So I'll just have to cut this down. I'm not going to put too much else on there because it's already pretty thick. There we go. And then I just, oops, I need to stamp something on here. I'm going to do remember this. And I'm going to use the green. Okay, there you have it. My day number 8. There we go. Okay, do I want to add something here? Yes, we do. I think I want to add some, maybe some of these trees, if I put it like, and then cut a little bit of that off. I just like things coming off the edge. And then maybe I could do something like Merry and Bright here. That off right there. Let's see what that looks like. Oh no, I feel like it needs one more thing. So I think I'm going to add these girls. When we work night shift, we drank so much coffee together. All of us love coffee so much, so this is appropriate there. Okay, just 3 things, little things with the hexagon. And there you have it, my day 3. Oh, that seems too crowded. I'm gonna put the coffee cup up there. It was too crowded with the little tabby there. There we go. Still not happy with that. I think I'm just gonna have to put a fa la 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 la. Yep, that's how I'm gonna do it, right there. Okay, there you have it, my day 8. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you next time.